Hello, everyone. My name is Dwayna Respis Palmer. I hope you are all doing well. I'm so excited to start our second year of the MSW program. That means we have 1 year under our belt and we have a few more semesters before we are officially MSWs. So I'm very happy about that. Um, Three assets that I can bring to generalist social work are one, my knowledge and experience in the field of social work. I have been a case manager as well as a pregnancy and parenting educator, and I'm currently an assessment worker. So I understand some of the circumstances that may impact a family or an individual's well-being. My second is my time management skills. So I do try to submit my discussion posts and my assignments early, or I try to start them early. So that leads to my ability to be a good diet partner and a good group partner because I try to work on the assignments that I'm doing early so that my partner um, has their information early. A third asset that I can bring is my willingness to learn. I get a lot of knowledge from reading everyone's discussion posts and reading the feedback that everyone gives. So it's very helpful for me, to become a better social worker. I wish everyone a wonderful semester, and I look forward to getting to know you all.